Welcome to our tutorial on auto-coding in NVivo. Today we will streamline your qualitative analysis workflow. Auto-coding is a powerful feature in NVivo designed to accelerate the organization of your qualitative data. NVivo provides a robust environment for managing complex datasets, allowing researchers to find meaningful patterns efficiently. By automating the initial stages of coding, you can save significant time while maintaining rigorous analytical standards. The software processes large volumes of data, ensuring that your sources are systematically categorized. NVivo helps transform raw information into structured insights through its advanced feature set. Leverage modern analytical tools to gain a comprehensive understanding of your project landscape. A systematic approach to data categorization is the foundation of reliable qualitative findings. Identify recurring patterns and themes across your dataset with automated speed. Increased efficiency allows you to focus on the interpretation of your data rather than manual organization. Utilize built-in features to reduce manual labor and enhance overall research productivity. NVivo's architecture is optimized to handle high-density data requirements for professional research. Maintain precision while scaling your project by using reliable, automated coding methods. The intuitive interface provides easy access to the criteria required for successful auto-coding. As your project grows, auto-coding becomes an essential tool for managing information complexity. Access expert-level functions that streamline your coding and classification processes. Collaboration is easier when your data is consistently coded and organized within the software. Improve the accuracy of your results by utilizing automated sentiment and thematic tools. Stay focused on the development of your theoretical framework by leveraging automation. Seamless integration of your data allows for faster project progression from start to finish. Visualize your results clearly to communicate findings more effectively with stakeholders. Automated processing manages diverse data types, ensuring no detail is overlooked in your analysis. Build a structured environment where every node and category contributes to your core insights. Understanding the coding fundamentals within NVivo sets the stage for more advanced research methodologies. Optimize your workflow by removing bottlenecks associated with manual data entry and tagging. NVivo integrates machine learning concepts to help classify your data based on patterns you define. Manage your research resources effectively to ensure project milestones are met on schedule. Maintain analytical rigor even when dealing with massive, complex, or unstructured datasets. Setting high-efficiency standards is achievable with the correct application of auto-coding. Increase your analytical speed, giving you more time for high-level thematic synthesis. The primary purpose of auto-coding is to categorize vast amounts of information quickly and consistently. Before you begin, proper preparation of your data ensures the software performs accurately. Start by importing your primary data sources into the project repository for ready access. Ensure your documents follow a consistent structure, which is crucial for successful auto-coding. Let's explore the step-by-step process of setting up and executing auto-coding in NVivo. Select the files you wish to analyze by highlighting them within your project file structure. Choose your auto-code criteria, such as document structure, headings, or specific keywords. After the process concludes, review the nodes to ensure the categories match your research intent. Managing your results effectively helps maintain the integrity of your project organization. Organize and rename your generated nodes to reflect the thematic findings clearly. Merge or further refine your auto-coded data to ensure that specific segments align with your analytical framework. You now have the knowledge to implement auto-coding, significantly enhancing your efficiency in NVivo. Auto-coding is particularly beneficial for large datasets, as it provides a scalable way to handle high volumes of information. Always remember to perform a manual review and validation of your auto-coded results to maintain research rigor.